ever considered the complexity of your own thoughts? What makes you capable of processing this information right now? The answer lies in the intricate web of neural tissue, the cornerstone of our nervous system. Neural tissue, a specialized tissue type, plays a key role in relaying information throughout the body. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, coordinating the symphony that is our bodily functions. Now, what makes up this extraordinary tissue? Two main types of cells come into play: neurons and neuroglia. Neurons, the superstars of the nervous system, are responsible for transmitting messages. They're like the postmen of our bodies, delivering important messages to and from the brain. On the other hand, neuroglia, often considered the unsung heroes, provide support and protection for neurons. They're like the bodyguards, ensuring the neurons can do their job effectively. So, the next time you think, remember, it's your neural tissue at work. Now that you know what neural tissue is, have you ever wondered what it's made up of? Let's dive into the fascinating world of neurons, the fundamental units of the nervous system. A neuron is like a tiny information superhighway comprising different parts, each playing a crucial role in transmitting and receiving signals. First off, we have the cell body, also known as the soma. This is the neuron's control center, housing the nucleus and other critical components necessary for its survival and function. Next, branching out from the cell body are the dendrites, the neuron's message receivers. They collect electrical signals from other neurons and pass them onto the cell body. Finally, we have the axon, the long, slender projection that carries electrical signals away from the cell body to other neurons, muscles, or glands. Just imagine all these parts working together in a complex, well-coordinated dance, allowing us to think, move, and feel. Neurons, with their unique structure, are indeed the superheroes of our nervous system. So, we've discussed the what and how of neural tissue. But what about the why? What function does it serve? Well, let's dive right in. Neural tissue is essentially the body's communication highway. It forms an intricate network that enables communication between different parts of the body and the brain. Think of it like this. When you touch something hot, it's the neural tissue that sends that information to your brain, which then instructs your hand to move away. This is just one basic example of how neural tissue facilitates our interactions with the world. But it's not just about physical sensations. Neural tissues also play a crucial role in cognitive functions. They allow us to think, learn, and feel emotions. They're the reason we can solve complex problems, enjoy a beautiful piece of music, or feel the joy of a warm hug. So, in essence, neural tissue, a marvel of biology, is the reason we can experience and interact with the world around us. So, to bring it all together, we've dissected the world of neural tissue, the cornerstone of our nervous system. We've delved into the intricate structure of neurons, the basic units of neural tissue. We've unraveled their function, demonstrating how these tiny warriors transmit signals throughout our bodies, laying the groundwork for all our thoughts, actions, and sensations. Never underestimate the power of these microscopic marvels. Remember, every thought, every movement, every sensation, it's all thanks to your neural tissue.